Hello friends, once again we are coming up with a new video, and that is regarding how intelligently you can add some interesting features into a very simple Excel file. So here is our data. Pepsi and Coke, these are probably the two most popular cold drinks, and they are per day sales. On a particular date, their per day sales we have plotted. So overall, say Pepsi has made a business of 2,50,000 on a single day, and similarly Coke also has scored a business of 2,52,000. Now all of we know that a chart can be made very easily. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting this thing, and if you have followed our previous video, definitely you will learn that F11 is the shortcut for creating a chart in Excel. So I am also using the F11, and definitely within a moment I can see a chart is there. So this x-axis clearly says that this is the data for Pepsi and this is the data for Coke. And additionally, what we are doing, we are adding some data labels so that prominently we can show the figures that this is the things. Even this particular things also can be formatted. For example, if you want to increase the size can be increased. Similarly, its size also can be increased. And not only that, you can apply some colors as well. Here also you can apply some colors, but I'm not talking about these things. In our previous video already we have described all these things, but we need to add some creativity so that it looks something different. So for what we have done, already you will find in internet some small images are there for Pepsi or Coke. Even it can be available for Limca and other brands as well. So I want to show the pictures of Pepsi and picture of Coke over here so that it gives a more professional look. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the insert, and from here I am choosing pictures. Already few files I have downloaded, so I'm choosing the correct pictures from my own computer, and two pictures I will try to impose. One definitely is against the Pepsi and another is for Coke. So here you will find, you can see Pepsi. So I'm choosing Pepsi Diet JPG file. So I'm putting insert. So I can see that Pepsi's image has been there, and I can place it here. I can slightly increase, and definitely I can slightly increase the height as well. So this now, instead of column, you will get an image of Pepsi. Similarly, I can once again go to the insert and choose the other file that is for Coke. So I'm choosing here, and the image of Coke is coming. So I can make its height. Of course, the more you will make the size of the figure larger, picture's quality will be little bit blur. So anyway, still it looks good, and definitely now you can see very easily you have created a very high quality of professional. And this kind of things, you did not here apply any Excel some advanced concepts, only creativity you have applied so that people can easily understand how much business Coke has done or how much business Pepsi has done. So this types of tools and tips always, I believe, will help some Excel professionals who are regularly used to make such kind of charts. That was the purpose of this video. Thank you. I hope you can similarly create and apply some new creativity in your Excel charts as well. Thank you. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and keep on watching. We are uploading some more videos soon.